Check. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Alright, as we begin our live video, let's hope we don't have any echoes. Alright, let's begin. So to begin with, let's start with tab. This video we are going to talk about cryptocurrency. My name is Gary Imran from GaryImran.com. In the previous video, we talked about the best 10 cryptocurrency apps for trading that can also allow you to buy cryptocurrency using mobile money right here in Uganda. So let's begin from a tab that's not logged in. Take a look at ByBit.com. Okay, we're going to take a look at like a quick overview. Gonna be like a quick overview before we jump into the deep dive of all the features. Alright, so this is like the home page. This is where you're going to land for the first time. So first time, I think we still have some echoes in desktop audio. So let's turn off desktop audio for YouTube and should be good. Now let's get started by okay. Now I think we are good to go. No more echoes on both YouTube and on TikTok. So ByBit. Finally, we had some issues there with the audio, but I think we have got it all fixed. ByBit Exchange, very huge platform. The last video I took you through not one video, a couple of videos of Binance. We took a look at Binance and what it does. This is a very much similar tool. All the features you notice, the pairs, trading pairs, the most common trading pairs. We have them right here, and we have the top gainers, the new listings. So this is how easy it is to get started with an account right here and get started trading and making money online. So simply provide your email, and by the way, I'm going to show you a way to bypass a long process. Make deposit, email and phone number, usually a verification sent to your email, and then you can make a deposit. Download the mobile app to make things easier for you. And by the way, you'll need verification along the way, okay, like ID verification besides this code verification via email or phone number. And then kick off your journey, spot pairs, feature contracts, and so much more. So a couple of features here, a couple of products from ByBit. We have the ByBit card, up to 10% cashback. This is like a card, it's like a MasterCard, debit or credit card that you can use to purchase things online using your crypto, but using this card. So the card is connected to your wallet. You have the ByBit earn with various ways of earning, which we are going to look at: copy trading, trading bots, which are a little bit advanced, Trade GPT as well, and ByBit Web3. So we have been talking about Web3, the blockchain, and so much, and all things related to the blockchain and cryptocurrency. So if you are still like a actual beginner in this stuff of Web3, you should check out my website, garyimran.com. You'll find there full blog posts that take you through Web3 concepts that you need to know. Alright, cool stuff that you need to know about the ByBit app. You can use it to trade anywhere on your iPhone from the App Store or Apple App Store. You can use an Android APK in case you don't find it through the Google Play, or in case you are using a phone that doesn't actually support Google Play. Of course, different phones use different software. So this is APK, the one you can use in case you don't find that app there. And then you also have the API, which actually allows you to install ByBit functionality into your own website or your own platform. Alright, so for those who like referral, there's the referral program which we will also look at in a minute. So let's get started. Sign up buttons right here include Google, Apple, and Telegram. You can simply use the sign up button right here to get started. Alright, alright. So first things first, you need to check your country right here, and then you can input phone number or email, any option that is best, that is more convenient for you or easier for you. For me, the easiest way to sign up is usually Google. Simply click on the Google button, sign up with Google, enter your Google. If you're already logged in, you simply choose your Google account and you click next, you connect, you give access, and you are ready to go. Your account is started. So let's switch back to account where I'm already logged in. Let me close this. So right here I'm already logged in and I've passed through some of the steps of the sign up, like the ID verification, and I'm ready to go to the deposit stage. Okay, which is very nice, right? So this is still a new account, and all you see here are some of the spot listings, some of the tokens. You can see some of the news and some of the products from ByBit. Okay, some of the offers. The app is right there, and for those interested more in trading, we are going to get to that part right here. But let's start from buying or depositing crypto, because you can't trade without depositing to your account. So let's look at the different ways of funding your account. Let's say you have signed up and you have uploaded your ID. Let's go to the overview right here. See under your profile, you click on account overview. You notice you also have the demo trading. So demo trading is where you go if you are not yet ready to deposit, but you still want to test the platform or test the trading platform and see how it works. That's where I go for demo. Right. So let's go to, okay, we have clicked on overview, right? So from overview, we are going to see the overall or the overview of the account overview, starting from your account information, your account balance, and then this is where you can deposit from. And then we also have some rewards or promotions on the right hand side, which also includes your affiliate portal, like your referral link, which you can use to earn commission on trades placed by people who you refer to this platform. Okay, so when you refer someone, they trade, you get some commission on their trades, which is very cool, very nice, right? So that's the place there, the referral program. So the account includes the information, the security for adding your phone number, for adding an email, or the two-factor authenticator app to help you with logging in. your account security. Okay, and then you have the rewards. This is still the account overview where you find the markets and the trending pairs or the trading pairs, the most common ones. The BTC, USDT, CSOL, which is Solana, USDT, MNT, USDT, ETH, USDT, USDC, USDT, and so much more. That's what we call spot trading. When we talk about spot trading, we talk about crypto trading. So we have the rewards hub, and the rewards hub will include some. In most cases, it includes things like daily check-ins. You log into this app daily, and you find some tasks to complete, and you earn some rewards. It's about the rewards hub. Now, in this case, let me see some free discounts, some airdrops, yeah, some bonuses. Depends on the day of the time of the year. Might be like I can find some airdrop here. Might be like I can find some discounts on your trading fees or some bonuses. Okay, let's go a little bit back before we go to the depositing the crypto. Let's go back a little bit on the account overview. Alright, so again, from your account overview, we have sub account. I think those are for affiliates, fee rates, and the API that we talked about earlier. So let's get started with clicking on the deposit button. So this deposit button right here is what you go to when you want to start trading the actual or real account. Remember, we said there's the demo account, there's also the real account. So the demo account, you don't need to make any deposit. Deposits are virtual. You just deposit however much money you want, and it's just virtual. It's used. Okay, it's not useless because it can help you learn. But this button right here, the deposit button, this is the actual button where you go to, and the other options are under here. So depositing, first method here is depositing crypto, and in case you have crypto in your other wallets, for example, you have crypto in your Binance wallet, or you have crypto in your MetaMask wallet, that's where you go. So click on deposit crypto, then you can choose the chain, you can choose the coin that you want to deposit first of all, and then you can choose the chain or the blockchain that you want to use. Confirm details, I think with your address. Yeah, I think you already know that I've been showing you how to deposit crypto in multiple occasions on the YouTube channel, many videos. Choose coin, that's the first step. Let's say Ethereum. Let's say you want to buy Ethereum or you want to buy USDT. Next step here is, of course, you choose the blockchain or the network on which you want to use to deposit the money. Remember, if you use the wrong network, you get problems, like real problems. You lose your money. So let's go to Ethereum RC20. You notice we also have the Arbitrum and the BNB chain for the Binance blockchain. Okay, and then lastly, you copy the address. So you go to your other wallet where you have the funds and you paste this address and you send to this address. That's how you deposit. That's the first step, or that's the first method of depositing. So next method here is P2P. You can see. Okay, for those on TikTok, is I think there is a way we can connect. There is a way we can capture. There is a way we can connect this mobile phone. So I can show you quickly some of the features because it seems like the picture is going slow on us. So phone preview, TikTok live studio. Anyways, so P2P. Now in the last video we talked about there's a platform called Paxful. That's one of the platforms specialized in P2P, but none of the other tutorials are about Binance. I showed you how to use P2P and many other videos. So you should probably already know what P2P means, but if you don't, this is simply a way to buy crypto from your friend or from someone who sells crypto on the platform. So P2P means peer-to-peer or person-to-person. So all these people you see here, this one's called King Solomon, this one's called, right, finally have the mobile. I think this is not what I was looking for actually. For something that will allow me to share my screen, share my screen with you guys. Okay, so I was saying P2P is peer-to-peer or person-to-person. So you're simply buying crypto from someone who sells crypto on this platform. So people come here and register to sell crypto. P2P user center. They register here to sell crypto using various methods. So depending on their country. So remember for us we chose Uganda, and so all the people we see here are offering these services with Uganda. So for example, this one is offering King Solomon, MTN mobile money and Airtel mobile money. Notice this one is called a World from Gulu, and is offering cheaper cash payment method for you to buy USDT from him. So even if you choose, let's say BTC, you'll notice sellers might change here. Different sellers selling different types of currencies to different crypto. So that's the platform. That's the marketplace. It's called the process is called P2P or peer-to-peer. That's another that's another method. That's another way to deposit crypto into your wallet. Alright, so let's go to. I think we should look at the third way to buy or to deposit crypto. So some of the process you go through to buy here on P2P. Some screenshots you need to take. There's also communication. You need to chat. You use the chat box within the platform to chat with the seller, and it's not recommended for you to switch to WhatsApp or to Telegram to chat with the seller. So for security precautions, do not release the token until we have confirmed receipt of payment. That is if you are the seller. Okay, and so that is bit to be able to follow the orders. For example, if you had to click here and buy, they will give you the payment method or the number to send your money to. and then you send a screenshot confirming the payment. That's how it works here. P2P. All right. So I think ByBit has brought everything right here. All the payment methods here on this screen. So we have so far looked at two payment methods or two ways to deposit crypto. We have so far looked at depositing crypto direct from your other wallets, and we have also looked at how to use a P2P or peer-to-peer network. Now the third option, which is a little bit tricky, is depositing using mobile money. And this is a little bit tricky because in some cases it doesn't work. I don't know, maybe it's because of the country regulations. I think it's country regulations that Uganda sometimes some apps don't work, but sometimes they do. I wonder. Now, like Binance, sometimes stop. There's a time when it stopped using mobile money, but now you notice it's back again. I don't know if it was some issues with Flutterwave service. I guess. Okay, again we are getting that lag in the. I don't blame this. Maybe it's my machine that's a bit slow. Since we are streaming two platforms. We are streaming live on YouTube as well as on TikTok. But I'm sure we will manage. So let's give it a minute to upload. Seconds to upload. This is the next payment method, which is fiat deposit. So fiat deposit. Now this is what I was talking about. You notice when you check on this list, you don't have like a UTX. So you don't have a UTX here. And what can we do in this case? So in this case, what we can do is go back to the other payment methods, like for example the P2P, or we use the crypto direct deposit, or we use the ByBit card. Now the ByBit card is a service, but it's also a payment method that you can use. Now go back to this list right here. Okay, these are some of the advantages of using depositing local fiat currencies. You can use the bank transfers, you can use the Visa Mastercard, fees, as we say, 65 plus fiat currencies. Okay. Close. Okay, let's go back to ByBit card. I think we should look at ByBit card before we proceed. All right. So we have looked at fiat deposit. We have looked at the P2P crypto deposit. There is the convert, basically like a calculator. We have calculator, but it also helps you convert like currencies. For example, you have Bitcoin and you want Ethereum. You can convert and use this convert. And then we have lastly the the one click buy. Okay, so here we go with the ByBit converter. So let's say I have available. You see, you notice this text right here available is zero, so that means I have nothing there. But if I had something, it would automatically detect it. So let's say I had BTC and I want to convert it to whatever here, or fiat or USDC, USD or crypto here. But Ethereum, ETH. Yeah, so that's how it works. You simply choose what you want to convert, you put code, and you start converting. You get back your crypto into your wallet. So that is the convert. That's the crypto deposit we have seen here. Deposit. Now let's see the one-click buy. So one-click buy is like an auto invest tool which you simply set and it will automatically buy for you. But now it seems like it's on hold for some reason. So you set it once you enter the amount you want to buy, confirm the order, and after a certain period of time, it automatically buy more for you. Buy. Hope I've explained it well. So markets, get so the markets might confuse you a little bit, but this is where I find like let's call them indicators. Let's call them information indicators. This is the indicator for you when buy, when to sell, and then we also have market data. Like let's say the trading volume for a certain. In this case, we are talking about the Ethereum gas price and the trading volume. Then we have the trending sectors. We have the most top gaining trading pairs. We have everything about the market. That's what the market tab involves. It tells you what's going on in the market, especially for those who are into trading. Your friendly tab, the market. That is ByBit market. I think we should move on to the next one. No time, no time, no time, no time. Key metrics, contract data, the 24-hour gainers, the 15-minute gainers, trending sectors, current gas fees in Ethereum, the prices right here. So after going through the markets and you've gotten some information about the top gainers, you have some information about have some indication on trading volume and so much, and so on. This is the trading tab now. This is where you got to start trading. So have the trading portal helps for spot trading, for features. Some of these things are a little bit advanced. We might not go deep into them in this video, but maybe in a later video. Another video we can come back and look at this. So features, options, TradeFi, Alpha. I think this is a new feature which is for trade and earn chain. Then we have Spot X launch pool. This one for launching launch pool usually for launching new tokens on the blockchain. So Bit by ByBit, sorry, ByBit provides for you a platform launch your tokens. And then RF2 multi-leg blocks as single trade, spread trading, and what else down here? Pre-market trading. Okay, most of the things are advanced, but let's take a look at the trading portal. Now, before we jump into the trading portal, there is this tab here that we opened up that I wanted to show you before we proceed. This is, I think, under tools. I think it's under finance. Yeah, it's under finance card, ByBit card. But let's take a look at it right now. So this card right here, as I mentioned earlier, it allows you to spend your crypto. It's connected to your wallet. It allows you to spend your crypto using a debit or looks like a debit or a credit card. So it's called a ByBit card, and you can also earn 10% cashback on selected user for selected users. So you notice how it works. It actually works like the usual debit or the credit card. Swiping through, making payments, pay anytime, anywhere with your crypto. Yeah. So this is what it does. It just allows you to pay using crypto by using that card right there. Supported BTC, ETH, as long as the place where you are buying they accept these coins, you are good to go. So these are some of the platforms. Okay, enjoy 100% rebates on selected partners. Some of the partners where you can earn rebates, 100% rebates, and you can also earn cashback and rewards on everyday spending, and unlock more exciting features like go virtual spending instantly and up to 8% PR on your idle funds, free card issuance, no annual fees, enjoy 100 USD free ATM withdrawals every month, free worldwide delivery, your ByBit card. Now, I don't think we have ATMs everywhere, but I think in order to use that card, I think you might need actual ATM. ATM withdrawal available, fees depending on your region, and payment provider options may differ depending on your region. Okay, so I think that's all you need to know about the card. Yeah, that's all you need to know about the card for now. Let's go back. I think I've been logged out because of opening up multiple tabs. Guess not. Still logged in. So trading spot takes us to that platform which I showed you. Which I said was not you are not ready to see it. I guess now it's time to jump in. But when you talk about that trading platform, we are talking about a lot of stuff. When it comes to trading, there's much to learn. As you notice, we have the spot, which is crypto. There's features, which involves a mixture of crypto and other assets. Then we have the options, which are all advanced for this stage right now. So the spot I already talked about those comprehensive market access, which is the features, the options, wide selection and diversity, wide selection to diversify your portfolio. Alright. So as I said, when it comes to crypto, it's too much to learn, too much to talk about. The features, the grid board, the spot grids, copy trading, arbitrage, split orders. So these are some of the things that I think we can talk about. So some of the things I believe we should talk about in the next video. But for now, for beginner, advanced, that's the trading platform which I was talking about. And the last video of Binance, I showed you how to use something like this. Get started with trading. So, anyways, I think I'm going to give you a quick overview. So, quick overview. Let's wait for this to load fully. Okay, for time purposes, let's just go through this. So pairs, trading pair, that's where we see that. And then we have some information about the volume, trading volume, and 24 highest. By the way, if you know a little bit about trading, you know about the higher highs and higher lows. We have lower, lower lows, lower highs. Mhm. Anyway, so this is some of the information talking about the highs and the lows and the trading volume. That's the information up there. And then we have some of the tools. TradingView integrated. You notice to have the chart by TradingView. It's integrated within the ByBit platform, or you can call it the ByBit trading platform or ByBit extension. So some of the tools help you with your trading. We can look at this in the next video where we'll be talking about the trading view and the overview. That's the chart right here. Give the price action or the price movement. Overview. I don't think we should be interested to data about ethics about trading volume, feed because news is also important for you to be able to place your trade analysis. I think that this is once you have placed your order. That's that part right there. That part right there. Next, let's look down here. So open orders is where you see the current orders, the positions, the order history, trade history, how much you have made, the profits and losses, assets, having, drawing, and some other tools. Okay, so this doesn't make too much sense, especially when we don't have any trades going on. But as I said, this is for advanced, a bit advanced for now, and we are going to take a look at this stuff. So don't worry about it. Don't rush it. Order book is like the orders place where we'll be seeing how it's moving. Some of this stuff is not really content for you, it might be confusing instead. So you should probably stay away from some of the stuff that you don't know yet until you actually know how how it actually works. But this place is not just simple for you to see like what is the bid ask ratio for the top 20 levels within BTC USDT order book or within the current pair that you have chosen. So buying and selling right here. This is where we are right now. This last section, and then we have the convert. Now, for stock trading, by the way, when you're trading, there's also what we call the types of trades, all types of orders that you can place. Now, I think I don't know if I'm signed out. No, I'm not signed out. So that's the convert I showed you earlier. It's also available right here. Think it can act like a quick calculator for you. You notice we have funding account and then we have the spot account as well. So I was talking about trade types or order types. So there's what we call the limit order, there's market order, and there's so many other types of orders that you can place. You have the trailing stop or CO, one order cancels the other, that is CO. You have iceberg and many other types of orders that you can place. But the most common ones is the market order and limit order. Alright, so that's where you place your orders, you place the price, how much you want to risk on this order, and then the order value. Sorry, this is the price of the actual token, and then the quantity which you want to okay, the amount right here which you want to buy, sorry, which you want to use to place the order. Well, the TP and SL. TP means take profit and SL means stop loss. So this is something that can help you with what we call the risk management. So in case you place an order, let's try to zoom in here. If you use this button here for zoom in and you click somewhere, click again. Let's try to zoom in here. So if you place an order right here, let me use some lines. So if I place, maybe I should zoom in again. Let me change timelines. So if you notice down here, the left hand side is 1 minute period, is 5 day, sorry, 1 day period, 5 day, 1 month. So let's go to one day, 1 day, 1 day, and then right click and go to set strategy. So this is trading view chart within here. So all the tools, all the actions that work in TradingView should be able to work right here. So we go to we are trying to look at the example of a stop loss. So let's use this line here. This line means nothing. I'm just going to use it to show you an example. So let's say someone placed an order on this line here, and then this is this amount. So if you take a look at the right hand side, this is the value at this point, the value 107,939.7. So let's say you have placed an order from here and you want to take your profit right here. That's how we place orders. By clicking on that button, but I don't want to place an order right now. Just want to show you some. So this let's change the color of this thread. So we're talking about TP and SL, take profit and stop loss. So let's zoom in again by using this button right here. Okay, and let's reduce these lines length that long. All right. So let's say you place an order right here and you want to take profit means that if the order reaches at this level, I want to take profit. I want the order to stop and I take my profit. That's in case you hold. If you place buy and it goes up, you make profit. If you place buy and it goes down, you make a loss. But if you place sell and it goes down, you make your profit. So let's say you placed a buy and you wanted your profit to stop here. That's what we call the take profit. Now the stop loss comes in case this thing reached here and it went back down. You see you have moved this and this, that's your profit, but then it reaches here and it goes back down the rate and then you go back to losses. So that's what we call the stop loss. So that you can stop your losses at a certain point. You say that if it goes up to here, I take my profit, but if in case it comes back down up to this point, I should stop the losses. That's the P and SL, the stop take profit and the stop loss. Very important for you to learn before you place any order. That basically helps with the risk management in not for order not for you to lose all your money. Okay, in case it went back down and you had anticipated it to go up, and it goes down, and goes down, and you didn't set a stop loss. That's all. That's all a big loss down there. So I hope you have understood. If you haven't, please leave your questions, and I'll be very happy to answer you. So that's the trading part right there, and all that stuff of spot trading, features, options happens right in this platform. You know, the margin trades, the cross margin. So as I said, it's a little bit advanced at this point, but at least I've given you a quick overview of all these platforms, so you shouldn't be intimidated anymore. Yeah, first time looking at that stuff too, I was really intimidated. I was saying, "Oh my God, what is this?" All right, all right. Anyways, so let's move on to the next one. So next one, that was the trading part. Remember, I've looked at each of these one by one. Next one is the tools. Next one is the tools. Okay, so the tools, we have the copy trading tools, the TradingView. Now you're ready now about AI and the ChatGPT. It's everywhere. We have leaderboards, we have TradingView itself. TradingView is these days integrated in most of these platforms, but I like TradingView. I have no problem with it. And the next video, I think we are going to look at TradingView and how to use it for trading. So for now, let's go back to tools, more tools, and let's look at more tools here. But TradingView is just one of them. But I've just showed you a little bit on how to use TradingView. Only that I'll show you the integrated version into ByBit. So tools right here: trading boards, the leaderboard, TradingView, TradeFi, TradeForex, commodities, stock, CFDs, and all in one place. Position builder and demo trading. I talked about the demo trading account, which basically gives you the power to trade without depositing to your account. Well, me personally, I don't really like this because okay, it's good for you to learn, but once you have learned, I think you should run away from it as quickly as possible and you start trading real cash. So demo trading is simply giving you the same platform that we just looked at, but in a demo format. So whatever you are trading virtual cash in a demo way. It's not actual money. That's demo trading. At least we have already seen the platform and I've showed you. I've given you tips on how to get started trading. Okay, so let's proceed. Now that I put in a demo account, becoming now that I put in a demo account, coming a problem now. I think I should disable it. wastes our time. Try the incognito. Okay, so that's the tools part. Okay, tools demo trading for practice trading without risking your own capital. Okay, other tools, computers are trading bots, all advanced. So we have the untab, which is earning in various ways. There's the crypto loans, which I talked about a little bit, the card, which I explained, the BitPay, or this advanced earn, smart leverage, dual asset. These are mostly about holding your crypto for a certain time, like doing what called staking. So you keep your crypto in your wallet and you subscribe to one of these liquidity mining, smart leverage, double win, and others. So you earn crypto rewards form of crypto every month or every day. Let's say about and tap. So the learning, of course, the live stream videos, announcements, the tutorials, or the blog posts. The Wadis Hub, I think we looked at that one, and more buttons. The wallet, very important one. Just like the just like the other wallets, like the MetaMask, like Trust Wallet, have their Web3. They have the Web3 wallet right here, the ByBit Web3 is your gateway to the Web3. You can download it on your app on your phone, or you can also use the Chrome extension. And many of our videos have showed you how to use a Chrome extension for such a wallet. So this is ByBit Web3, which I was talking about. This gives you direct access to, like seed phrase, gives you your own cloud storage or cloud wallet that you're going to use. The seed phrase is what you're going to use to store, to protect your wallet. The seed phrase is like a key to your wallet, which you have to keep very careful, very secret, keep it secret somewhere. And when we talk about Web3, we talk about staking, swapping tokens, which is like converting, and many other Web3. And just this like a separate platform. There's the exchange, there's the Web3. So there's the staking, earning the yield by staking assets with one click. Now these ones are okay. I think we need to first check on our TikTok. Okay, in most cases, these guys don't like tutorials for some reason. I don't understand why. That is this is on the blockchain, but the other earning that we saw in the exchange. Okay, so talk about Web3, we talk about direct connection to the blockchain, right? That's the wallet, and then we have the VIP program, we have B2B services banking, the blockchain affiliate program for those who want to earn commission, referring uh, ByBit, and then you have the broker program, the Islamic account, and let's look at the affiliate program for they have their own platforms that like they have registered it on impact.com or any other affiliate marketplace or affiliate marketing platform. So you simply apply and you get your link and you start sharing to get your commission right away. Okay, so apply with a ByBit account, simply log in to make things easier for you. So that's the ByBit affiliate program or ByBit affiliate program. Besides this other rewards program right here, the referral program, which is just for inviting your friends and earning a certain amount, 30% commission where they are trading. Okay. So let's let's go to this one. Let's Islamic account. So for those who who have been wondering that trading and keeping your my money in those accounts is going to bring me problems, I'm Muslim and so on. ByBit has got for you a solution with the Islamic account, the industry's first crypto exchange to offer Sharia compliant account. No interest, secure and peace of mind for investors. So Sharia compliant global access to ethical financial practices. Selected tokens, for the grid bot, selected token, sign up, verify, deposit, trade. So I think they have made uh, ByBit consulted crypto ally in developing a Islamic account during practice cryptocurrency blockchain compliance. That's probably nice. So, anyways, I think that's it for today's video. I've showed you some advanced stuff which I was not really supposed to. I wanted to make this as beginner friendly as possible. If you want to learn more of beginner tutorials from ByBit, they have their YouTube channel. It's also and the learn, yeah, the learn tab. So from the learn tab, you go to learn tab and go to ByBit learn live stream. But you can also check out my website mugabeimran.com. I have some tutorials there to help you get started. And you can also check out other tutorials on the YouTube channel right here. Now, this demo account I will have to cancel. I don't really like demo accounts. And so maybe in the next video it might come back with an active or with a real trading account so we can look at some cool stuff. Okay, so again that's it for today's tutorial of ByBit. That's it, ByBit tutorial for today, and I hope it was helpful. We have covered pretty much everything you need to know. Let me first sign out. Just to do a quick recap, what we have covered today is we started with the sign up process. So we started with the sign up process. I showed you the quick sign up to use the Google. It's the quick way to sign up using your Google account. And I showed you the other way, the different ways to buy or to deposit crypto to your account. We looked at the markets. This is where you see the action, the price movement, the market, basically what's happening in the market. And we looked at the trading part here, and this all happens in the trading platform, the trading portal, which I took you through. I gave you a quick overview of the whole trading platform. If it's still open, yeah. So I've taken you through these tabs where you see your trades here, where the action happens here, and where you place your orders, plus setting the take profit and the stop loss. So the demo account has access to 100k. That is virtual money, of course. So we'll come back to this one in the next video. So I've also showed you the other tools, some of these other tools right here. go towards